We're going to install one of these on each of the first 2 floors, a gas-fired direct vent fireplace. Now, John Sullivan's going to help us with the install this year. How are you?
Good,
nice
good to see you again, Richard.
Now, the old fireplaces would have taken all the air from inside.
Yes, this is a coaxial venting system. What we're going to do is drop down a smaller liner that connects into here, and that's where the flue gases
Hot
are
flue
going to
gases go up that way, okay.
Exactly. This one we're going to drop down on the outside of that around, and that's going to have the air coming down for the combustion.
Yeah. So coaxial pipe in a pipe.
Yeah.
You're going to fish them up through the building.
Yeah. Yeah. We're going to go up on the right-hand side flue
so you got a chase right there.
Yeah. We're going to run the flue system up through this chase for the first floor.
Now, what's the other chase here?
The other chase, this flue has an existing stainless steel liner on the second floor because they had originally put in at some point a wood burning unit.
So that's got to go.
Pull that out, and then once we get that out, we can drop the new liner in for the upstairs fireplace.
So up we go?
Yes, we do.
John and his helper Gary start by removing the weather cap that was installed over the top of the chimney years ago when the fireplaces were abandoned.
All set.
Next, they remove the old stainless steel liner that serviced the second floor wood fireplace. They disassemble it in the opposite way it was installed, in 3-foot sections, 1 section at a time. The new liner is corrugated aluminum, and it's expandable, so it needs to be stretched out. Next, they install a pull point onto the end of the liner. This will help ease the liner down through the jagged edges of the chimney. Go ahead, Gary. And we'll use that rope to pull the liner into place. Yo!
All set. Okay, now we'll get the cone off.
Okay, so that's going right here, so let's move it into place.
I'm going to make this connection by using high temperature silicone and stainless steel sheet metal screws.
For the 7-inch, we'll use the same rope and pull it down over the 4-inch line. Right down over the top. Okay, I'll let you make that connection. All right, so you get the same silicone connection with the stainless steel screws in the 7-inch.
Yeah, and this is going to make it airtight with the silicone, and the screws are going to hold it firmly in place.
All right, so that makes up our inside connections on the exhaust system down here. We still have to make connections upstairs, but the masonry on that chimney is really tough, needs to be repaired. Once it's finished, though, we'll be able to put this fitting on right here. This is a storm cap, right? Stainless steel. Here's that outer 7-inch pipe. Here's the 4-inch inner pipe, and you can see this beautiful fitting brings it all together. So the combustion air can come in here, down there, exhaust comes up. And when we're done, you'll seal it up weather tight, and we'll be in business.
Yeah. The fireplace just needs the electrical connection and the gas connection, and it'll be all set.
She will be thinking of you on those cold winter nights. Thanks for your help, my friend.
Thank you, Rick.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.